Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of modern wood furniture design, where elegance meets functionality. From sleek lines to sustainable practices, modern wood furniture has become a staple in contemporary interiors. So, let's explore the key elements that make this design style so captivating. Minimalism and clean lines. One hallmark of modern wood furniture is its minimalistic approach. Clean lines and simple silhouettes create a sense of calm and sophistication. Take this dining table, for example. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with any interior, making it a versatile piece for various occasions. Showcasing natural materials. Modern wood furniture celebrates the beauty of natural materials. High-quality woods like walnut, oak, and teak are often used to craft these exquisite pieces. The unique grains and textures of wood add character and warmth to any space. Mixing materials. Designers love to experiment with mixing materials. Combining wood with metal, glass, or even leather adds a contemporary twist to traditional wood furniture. This fusion of elements creates visually intriguing and modern pieces. Functionality and versatility. Functionality is at the core of modern wood furniture. Many pieces are designed with versatility in mind, catering to the needs of today's dynamic living spaces. Check out this convertible sofa, effortlessly transforming from a cozy seating area to a comfortable bed. Embracing sustainable design. Sustainability is becoming increasingly crucial in furniture design. Modern wood furniture embraces eco-friendly practices, such as using reclaimed or recycled wood. These efforts not only reduce environmental impact, but also add a unique and rustic charm to the pieces. Innovative joinery. Craftsmanship takes center stage in modern wood furniture design. Innovative joinery techniques showcase the skill and artistry of the creators. This wooden cabinet features masterful joinery, elevating it from a functional piece to a true work of art. Neutral color palettes. To maintain a sense of harmony and complement various interior styles, modern wood furniture often adopts neutral color palettes. These calming hues allow the natural beauty of the wood to shine while creating a cohesive look in any room. Scandinavian Influence. Scandinavian design has heavily influenced modern wood furniture. The Scandinavian principles of functionality, simplicity, and the use of light-colored woods have resulted in iconic pieces that are both aesthetically pleasing and highly practical. Customization options. Lastly, customization is a fantastic feature of modern wood furniture. Many designers offer customization options, allowing you to tailor pieces to your specific preferences. It's an excellent way to make your furniture truly unique and personal. Conclusion. And there you have it, a journey into the world of modern wood furniture design. From minimalism to sustainability, these pieces are more than just furniture, they are expressions of art and functionality. Which design element did you find most intriguing? Let us know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, stay creative and embrace the beauty of modern wood furniture in your home.